So with that said, it's time for us to now get to the top 5. Again, this is in no particular order. Here we go. Our first finalist from Quezon City, Michelle Gumabaw. Congratulations. Also making it into the top 5. Congratulations, Cavite! Atkinson. All right, down to our last 3. Also making it into the top 5.
Pauline!
Congratulations to Bohol. We are now down to our final 2 for our final 5. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome here to the final 5 from Iloilo City.
Oh my God!
Congratulations. And now it is time for us to find our final contender in our top 5. All right, here we go. Our final contender is from Parañaque. Congratulations once again to our top 5, and also just a word to all of the candidates. You all did phenomenal. You are all amazing and beautiful and wonderful women. And to make it this far, through all of the pandemic, through all the ups and downs, through all the trials, the struggles, and the tribulations, you guys are all winners. This has been a great experience. Very, very powerful Filipino women. Congratulations. Our top 5 finalists are bracing themselves for the toughest round of the competition, because next up is the question and answer segment with a twist. That's coming right up.
Who's your winner for you?
Pag-una Bohol, karang I'll go for Iloilo City.
Bakit?
Kaya nakita na ko yung
Ikaw, Miss Tayud, who is your winner?
You should try
sa una side, si
Highlands
Quezon
Corn.
City,
Dong, ano ba? Elo, olay na wax. Maolay na wax. Ganong ilo man day.
Ilo, kito nga dito ang grabe first time na ika parang first time.
Ikaw, Mesa, so who is your winner now?
My winner is Parañaque. Yeah, but kudos to Iloilo. I love her. I think she deserves also the crown. Kay Juan, she was ma-feel dyan mo yung fighting spirit, yung determination, yung ambition to win, nana. But I gotta
Parañaque all the way, Joka.
Parañaque all the way, because Juan, she's so beautiful and it reflects yung personality, and grabe ka nang kung magminaw ka niyang ma-feel mo yung warmth.
Nilapos day yung warmth day.
Wala pa siyang warmth. And I see her ready na akong support niya and the Miss Universe stage.
Char, ikaw, Tigwen.
Kung bisagin sa man amo daog, support yun ko. But I think
Ikaw,
nara sa
Tigwen.
duha, Iloilo and
I'll go for Bohol and Iloilo.
Da,
They're both pretty. That's all.
pretty today. Okay. For me, it's Iloilo Juday. She is very eloquent. Yes, eloquent and then composed.
Eloquent ba yun? Pero punctually.
Yes, composed siya day. Composed siya day. Then guwapa jud siya day.
Spontaneous kaya ko ba?
Yes, straight today. Walay bakal.
To our most passionate pageant fans here and abroad, I hope you're all ready because it's now time for us to declare the new Miss Universe Philippines. I would like to call on our official representative from SGV, Sisip, Horace, and Valayo and Company, our official tabulators for the final results of what must have been the toughest and closest competitions we've had in local pageant history.
True.
Our fourth runner-up is
Cavite. Bohol.
Cavite! The third runner-up is
Bohol. Bohol.
Bohol!
Quezon City.
The second runner-up is
Quezon City.
Ayun.
Quezon City.
Paranaque.
Quezon City.
Quezon City! Only two remain. Let me remind you that in case the winner fails to fulfill her duties and obligations, the first runner-up will take over as Miss Universe Philippines. I will announce the name of the winner first. That means the other contender is our first runner-up. Ladies, take a deep breath. It is time for the moment of truth. Miss Universe Philippines 2020 is
Iloilo.
Paranaque.
Iloilo. Iloilo.
Paranaque.
Iloilo. Pwede siya. Pwede siya. From Shanxi, masasikat. Sikat sa una. Indian sa una ba? Venus Rock. Venus Rock. Atong sa international.
Miss Iloilo! Mabuhay ang Miss Universe Philippines organization, to our judges, sponsors, and to all of our phenomenal delegates, our most heartfelt appreciation for all of the support and participation in this year's pageant, Miss Universe Philippines 2020.